Today, belatedly actually, and I suppose that this was really intended for us to gather all and say hello to everybody. I'm really at a loss of what to say, but let me just say this to you. What makes me relevant to all of you and to the people outside? Alam mo, dito ngayon sa bayan natin, ganito yan eh. I've been a prosecutor for 10 years. I was doing trial work. Been mayor for 22 years. I was a congressman 1 term. I didn't like it there, so I went back to being mayor. And a vice mayor to my daughter. Anong kalubuan ko sa buhay ninyo? Alam mo kasi ngayon, alam mo ang nawala sa tao sa Pilipinas? The fear to commit a wrong. Yung wala nang takot yung tao sa sanction ng batas. And obedience to the law today, araw na to, is just really an option. If you want not to obey, fine. Kung malakas ka naman, mayaman ka, milyonaryo ka, and you can do this, whatever, smuggling, okay rin yan. Alam mo, lulusot ka eh. Yan ang mahirap ngayon. Far and wide, in between these structures of the society, may mga tao sa gitna na wala talaga. And they are the hopeless, they are the defenseless. Ito yung, basta kung ano lang magdating sa buhay nila. And you know, to be president for 6 years, magprangkahan tayo. Andito yung mga military pati police. I'll ask you, how? 6 years? President structure? Oh, really? Paano? Ikakamaka rin mga abogado. How? You have this presidency. It is not without limits. That's the Constitution. This Congress, hindi ko naman kayo do not be offended. But sa totohanan lang, people are really disappointed. Hindi lang sa inyo, pati sa amin sa gobyerno. Huwag na natin nagbulahan. Sino bang hindi naggumawa ng mali? Ako, in my entire 22 years, I made good and I committed blunders. Some went right, others turned out to be wrong. Ganyan yan eh. Pero ang tao talagang Pilipino, sawang-sawa. Who would ever imagine na ako, kalayo-layo ko sa Mindanao, bakit ako dumating into the national limelight? And the fact that I am not even a candidate, ngayong araw na ito, nakabalandra yung Philippine Star, Duterte, and this has been going on for so many